AI technology using robots are increasingly being used to do tasks that were previously done by humans. AI technology is enabling robots to process and understand complex tasks. AI-powered robots can be used in various industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots can be used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. They can also be used to inspect products for quality control purposes. In healthcare, AI-powered robots can be used for surgical assistance, medical imaging, and drug discovery. They can also be used for health monitoring and diagnosis. In agriculture, AI-powered robots can be used to monitor crops and livestock, and to automate crop harvesting and fertilizing. AI technology is also being used to develop robots that can interact with humans and understand human emotions. These robots can be used in customer service, education, and entertainment.